Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add a secondary email address to your Microsoft account. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. Click on Your Info in the top menu bar. Now, in the Account Info section, click on Edit Account Info. Click on Add Email button to add a secondary email address. You can create a new email address and add it as an alias, or you can add an existing email address. Now enter the email address you want to use as a Microsoft account alias. Click Add Alias. New alias has been added to our account. Now we need to verify the ownership of this email address. To do that, click on the Verify button next to the email address. Click on Send Email. Check the email account of the secondary email address. You can find a verification link to confirm your email address. Now you may need to log into your account again to continue. That's it, your secondary email address is verified. This is how you can add a secondary email address to your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching.